right, Steve. And Michael now is a Category 3 hurricane. Winds at 120 miles an hour. May strengthen a bit more before it heads ashore tomorrow. You can see on the satellite pictures again, bearing down. It looks like no way out for the Florida Panhandle right now as the hurricane moving northward about 12 to 13 miles per hour. Fairly well-defined eye there, and you see that on a visible satellite picture. This is what it actually looks like from space. Again, well-defined eye. There's the coast of Florida, Fort Myers, Tampa Bay area, losing some of the daylight there as the sun's getting lower in the sky, so that picture becomes a little less distinct. Just in from the Hurricane Center, winds sustained near the center. Again, not throughout the entire hurricane, but near the eye wall at 120 with some gusts to 150, moving north at 12 miles per hour. That forecast track again takes it tomorrow afternoon into the Florida Panhandle around Panama City, Tallahassee, right in there, a little bit inland, right to the west of the city there, and to the east of there towards the Big Bend region of Florida and the Apalachicola Bay. A storm surge of an incredible 12 feet above normal levels would cause obviously widespread damage and wind destruction too, with 120 mile per hour winds or higher. Meanwhile, it weakens quickly. This is Thursday afternoon at 2 o'clock. The center is over sections of South Carolina. This is Friday at 2 o'clock, traveling, that's about 700, 800 miles. That's how fast it'll be moving across the region during the day Thursday. That's how much it'll travel. It'll be booking along at 20 to 30 miles per hour across North Carolina. And on that track, the heaviest rains may actually go north and northwest of the center of circulation. So here again, it is moving towards the Florida Panhandle, moving ashore, and then as it heads into Georgia, it weakens wind-wise. We'll see some showers tomorrow indirectly associated with Michael, but then as we get into Thursday afternoon, should be okay in the morning. This is 5 o'clock. Look at the heavy rains moving in, continuing into the evening, and then after midnight, moving so quickly, there it goes, and we clear out very quickly for the day Friday. Still looking at 2 to maybe 5 inches of rain. This one model books it or caps it at about 2 to 4, but some areas could pick up. You see around the Triad over 4 inches forecast there. You can't take the numbers literally for each city, but looks like generally 2 to 5 inches of rain. Heaviest amounts could actually be from the Triangle to the north and west. That would be mainly during the second half of the day on Thursday. And a flash flood watch now in effect for Thursday for all of the region for that potential for some flash flooding. The winds also an issue again too, but they should be capped at about 40 to 45 in gusts. The best timing for that late afternoon. This is Thursday 6:30 where the winds could be gusting over 40, lighter to the northwest, maybe up to 50 to the southeast. And then as we get past midnight, the winds diminish pretty quickly for Friday morning as well. So Thursday afternoon and evening, the rough time for us. We'll talk about river stages, what they may do, and more on Michael coming up. Steve, Tisha.